So welcome back everybody. Before this video we were discussing about the income tax, but the next thing which we need to discuss about, that is our GST, general sales tax. So general sales tax will be applied on the marked price of any object. The price which is being marked on any article or any object. Suppose you buy any football, or you buy any table tennis rackets, or you buy simple badminton rackets or a bat or any eatables or any food items. So there are some particular prices for those food items, and for those food items we can identify some marked prices. The price is being marked on that one. It's a retail price. So your GST is based on that particular price, I mean whatever the basic price of the amount, and uh, the tax amount of tax, which is the GST, general sales tax. For this one we're gonna consider an example. Suppose there is a person who goes to the market to buy something, and he need to buy a dress. So they simply said the mark price for the dress, the mark price is $100, and the GST, general sale tax on and that one is 5%, 5% of the mark price. And after that they have some discount also. Discount of, suppose, is 15%. So this discount will be applied after the calculation of the total price with the help of mark price and the GST. The very first thing which you need to calculate, how much is the total price of that particular dress. Suppose they need to buy a dress, the price of the dress is with the reference to the 5% GST, general sale tax. So it's 5% mean what we need to calculate 5% of the total mark price, which is 100. So that will be the amount of GST, that how much GST will be added in this 100. So 5% of 100 is mean 5 by 100 times 100. So it's $5. $5, so that is amount of GST. So after calculation this one, it's mean how much you have to pay if you buy the product without any discount. So the sale price for that particular product after addition of GST mean the retail price or the actual price, or you can say the cost price plus GST. So total price is $105. This is what they have to pay. But they said there is a discount also. It's a discount percent. Obviously the discount percent will be on the price which somebody has to pay. So they have to pay $105. So how much discount they can have on $105, which means they say the on discount percentage is 15%. So we need to calculate 15% of the amount, the mark price, which is 105 now, which in which we have been included the general sales tax also. So 15% of 105 is equal to what? We just need to make a calculation. So it would be 0.15 times 105. So this is how we can find the amount of discount only. And as we need to find the amount which they have to pay, amount to be paid, amount to be paid, that amount to be paid is equal your mark price, which is $105, negative amount of discount. So this is much, will be the amount which you have to pay against a particular amount which is being marked on any product. So after GST we're gonna talk about the next topic, which is mentioned on the slide on the screen also, and the next topic is hire purchase. What is hire purchase? So we have two types of purchasing. Whether we purchase anything directly with a cash, I mean you pay some cash to the persons at the shop or buy that particular object, and the other way is to buy any object on installment. And buying something on installment is called hire purchase. Suppose We just need to made a table for this one. So the first thing is cash purchase. Just a minute. Cash purchase. Your cash purchase is the amount of purchase which we are supposed to pay directly to buy that particular object. Is cash purchase. Suppose the cash price for a product is $100. $800 we're gonna take it. $800 is the amount of cash price if you want to buy any product. And they say if you want to go for higher purchase, this is for the cash purchase, and if you want to go for higher purchase, mean this thing, if you go for higher purchase is based on the very first thing, it's amount of deposit, that how much deposit would be given first. If you want to go for higher purchase, how much deposit you have to pay before getting that particular object, one thing. Second, amount of deposit, uh, it's monthly installment.